Welcome to Make It Happen Monday, your weekly dose from the Healthy Living School. With the new year and the season of dieting upon us, I wanted to remind you that diets don't work. According to the scientific data, the long-term success of diets for weight loss is truly abysmal. In fact, dieting has been identified as a risk factor for future weight gain. One large review that included 31 diet studies found that while most study subjects were successful in losing weight in the short term, like 6 months or less, by going on a diet, the majority of study subjects, up to 2/3, regained all of the weight they lost plus some. A formal report in the journal Psychosomatic Medicine provides a viable explanation for these discouraging findings. For the first time in humans, researchers documented that restricting calories, and the more the worse, boosts levels of the fat-loving hormone cortisol. As cortisol levels rise, metabolism becomes sluggish, and there is an increased propensity to deposit fat within the abdominal area. This intra-abdominal fat produces chemicals that further slow down metabolism, making future weight gain more likely. On the flip side, what does work is making healthy, long-term, i.e., forever changes to the way you eat and live. The data is irrefutable that the single most tried and true evidence-based strategy for losing weight and keeping it off is to simply focus on eating healthy, wholesome, real foods, especially fruits, vegetables, beans, intact whole grains, nuts, and seeds, and to limit processed foods, especially refined carbs, sugary foods and beverages, fatty red meats, and fried foods. So emblazon that in your heart and mind. Lastly, as always, feel free to pass this video on to your friends and loved ones, because one of the greatest gifts we can give is the gift of better health.